Hey, in this video, I will actually show you how to create custom widgets on iOS 14 or how to use the Color Widgets app. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you want to do first is make sure you have iOS 14. So you want to go on settings on your iPhone, go to general, click on software update, and you want to make sure that your update is 14.4 or higher, or 14 at least, to have the widgets. Then what you want to do is go on the App Store and search for Color Widgets, just like this. And when it loads up, you want to install it. I already did. Click on Open. It will all load up. And you can select one of the popular ones. There's a lot of free ones, a lot of paid ones. Let's just use this one. I hope it's free. You can select the font. I think I like something like cleaner. This looks like Leak Spartan font. I'll use this. You can set the widget. Follow the instructions in the question mark button to add it to your home. Where's the question mark button? Set widget. So you go back, click on the question mark, and they give you the instruction. Add widgets to your home screen. On your home screen, touch and hold an empty area until your app is jiggle. Okay, add multiple different widgets. So what we gotta do is find an empty area, for example, here, hold like this, click on the plus sign, and here it is. Here is the color widget. Add widget, and we're all set. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you next one.